Kissing and hope it cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you out, I wanna show you out. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you out, I wanna show you out.
Hi guys, my name is Angie. You can call me Sunshine Galileo. I create videos on hair, makeup, and everything in between. Today it's a hair video and I'm very excited. I want to crochet some Christmas hair. It's Christmas time. I want to have some nice hair. I don't want to do my hair. I just want to relax. And the next hairstyle I'm gonna do is next year in January of 2024. Let's get into this video. Let me show you everything you'll need. First thing you'll need is crochet hair. I'm using, this is Viral Curl by Angel's Hair. This is how it looks. Very pretty. You know, I like brown hair. It makes me look very pretty. So we're doing some brown hair today. Next thing you need is a hook. A crochet hook. You can get it at any beauty supply store. Next you need some hair mousse to just go through the curls, and this is also the same mousse I use to maintain my crochet curly hair. So it's just used to define the curls, ensure they don't tangle as much. This is what I'm gonna use after I'm done, just for styling. You need some scissors just to adjust the shape of your hair. If it's too long, if you have like frizzy parts, just to cut them off. This is what you need. You need some scissors. And then the next thing, I'm gonna use some nice and lovely gel. I'm currently really loving this one. This is the new one. It has honey and marula oil. It smells really, really good. It smells really nice. So this is what I'm gonna use, and an edges brush. This will be for my edges once I'm done with the style. Let's get right into it. First thing you're gonna do is separate your hair. And when you're separating, especially curly hair, you don't want to go against the grain within which the hair separates. Let me show you what I mean. So once I pop the first part here and release the curls, the hair itself has started to separate. As you can see, those are 4 pieces of hair. So what you don't want to do is separate this piece of hair even further. When you do that, you have way more tangles, way more tangles. I did that last time. Here are the photos of the same hair but in black. I did that last time. It tangled so badly, so I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna follow the grain within which the hair has unraveled itself. So each piece has 4 pieces, and this is 1 packet of hair. It's a really pretty brown. I'm actually really excited to see how it turns out. So let me separate all my hair and we'll get right into it. So I've untangled all my hair. I'm ready to braid. Let's go. Let's switch over to our voiceover so that I can talk through what I'm doing. Start off at the back of my hair. What I do is just I take the hook through my hair under the hair, open the hook slip, put in the hair in the slip, close that part, pull the hair through my own hair, and then you loop the hair within itself. And then I like to loop it again, just 1 strand, not both, just for extra security. You know, I don't want the hair to become loose. When you knot it twice, it's usually better. Even if, especially when the hair is smooth and soft. You know, synthetic hair is not like natural hair. It's quite smooth and silky, and sometimes it becomes like loose and undone. So I like to knot it twice just to avoid this. So for me, I don't like it when my hair is bulky at the back, so I will just go spacing it out like that, as you've seen. But most of my hair will be around here, like up to here. Yeah. For the front part, I'm going to go inside through the line. I'm going to go through the line. 1 piece will be outside and 1 piece will be halfway in, so that it gives a more natural look of the hair sprouting out of your scalp. Let me show you guys. My mirror is down here, so if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at myself.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey.
This is what I mean. And then to secure it, I'm gonna go in with my hook.
Something up. I'm in a mood to fuck. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night.
That's what you do. And then I'm gonna put one between where the hair starts and where the hair was looped. Right here.
We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' bet you see far. Bet you see stars. Bet you elevate. Bet you meet God. 'Cause I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. What's in these four walls? You sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you here or what? Show up, show up, show up, show up. Pow up, pow up, pow up. You Mr. Nasty. I clean it up. Go where nobody's been. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Have you ever had fun? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Gonna sit on top of you.
Continue this process until I'm done with the front part of my hair. After this, I'm just going to repeat the process all through my head. Here, since I don't have a lot of hair and I don't want to use too much hair, because when you use too much hair, then you have such bulky hair and sometimes it's so annoying. You just look so bad or you just look so heavy. But if that's the look you'd like to go for, you can do space by space on all the lines. But for me, what I love to do is I space out the hair after I've done the front part. So the middle part is always like spaced out and I won't have too much hair underneath because the front hair will just cover the back. So I won't need so much hair in the middle of my head and at the back of my head. But space it out so that then you just don't have hair at the front and then there's no hair uko katikati or at the back of your head.
Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1,000,000 views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is dead and I'm sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Damn bikini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her.
I was going for a middle part. The lady who did my cornrows didn't give me quite you know, my middle part is not middle parting. But what I usually do where the middle part is, I like to concentrate a lot more hair so that it looks like I don't have gaps, especially the part that would be easily seen. That's why I'm concentrating a lot of hair on these two cornrows right here, because that's the part that's gonna be seen quite often.
Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my band.
I'm done crocheting. Next, we're gonna shape the hair. As you can see, like here, this one is way longer than all of it. And just smooth it out with some mousse, and then I'm gonna lay my edges so that it doesn't look so, you know, you see how it looks like some newness, like it has a weird newness. So I'm just gonna, let's just cut what we need to cut. Remember what I told you guys about splitting it? This is what I meant. This is how it looks when you split it, and this is how how it looks when you split it the correct way. Yeah, I split like two incorrect way, and it's clearly showing. I'm gonna go in with some mousse. I love this mousse. It's from Kanto. Works so well with braids and also like natural hair.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding.
Next, I'm going to lay my edges. Going with my Nice and Lovely and a little edges brush. I would really love a curly wig. I feel like there's just something like curly hair just adds. It's like I'm gonna use a scarf just to lay that down. Let's give that a few minutes, and then I'm gonna come and show you guys the final look. This is how the hair turned out. I really like it. I like the color. I feel very pretty. I've really cut it short compared to the other one, and I just like this length. It's a really nice length. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. It really helps me out. It really ensures that I'm able to reach more people like you who like the same kind of content. So please, 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 let me even give you a second to like, to share, to subscribe, and to comment. Do let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.